folks, Turbine Guy coming back at you. Today we got Cousin Ed down here working on the big Constellation again, the Chris Craft, and it looks like we're finally getting somewhere. You can see Ed's opened it up a lot more. Took out the rotted boards about how far we thought, and we've got those right down here. Although it does look like right up here we're gonna have to go just a little bit deeper into the board in order to clean up the rest of the rot we found. Now, looking at it from what used to be the bathroom here, you can see up to the chine there, and then the damage we have in here. If we walk up to the other access point, little storage area, we can see what it looks like from in here. All right, Ed, why don't you give us a project update at this point?
Okay, it's one of the lower support braces that go across from right to left. As you can see, this one's pretty rotted, been reinforced once, and we've cut out a new one now. And you go in there and you measure and you see where the different braces are, thus it's been cut out to fit the way it needs to fit. And I'm pretty lucky that everything fit perfect the first time, so I throw it in there. Grab my wrench here. Have her in place to support the new floor, and this will be adjusted as necessary, plus a shim probably put down here for complete support, and then we'll go ahead and do another 1, 2, 3 more. Actually, one more here and then 2 more here.
Well, there you go, folks. You can see this is quite the project, but we are getting somewhere. Sometimes the hardest part of these projects is to dig down as far as you need to go, and sometimes the worst part of that is you never stop digging because you keep finding problems. Well, we'll update you once again. Turbine Guy signing off.